Hey there, welcome to the Planet V. Are you ready for our second part of our Asturias adventure? I'm thrilled to show you the charming village of Bulnes, nestled in the heart of the stunning Picos de Europa mountain range. So, let's hit the road and start exploring this magical place together. As the hills of Asturias unfolded before us, excitement filled the air as Iveta assured us that the real magic was yet to come. And oh, how right she was. The further we ventured, the more the scenery transformed. Winding roads unveiled hidden valleys, rushing rivers, and cliffs that thrilled our senses. And as Bulnes revealed itself, it was a moment of pure awe and wonder. A Spain I had never imagined. A natural beauty that truly took our breath away. Iveta dropped us off at the entrance of the Bulnes funicular. This ride only operates every 30 minutes, so if you have other plans, it's essential to check their schedule. We purchased round-trip tickets for 22 euros each. This funicular ride from Bulnes to the village is a steep ascent of approximately 2.5 kilometers. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted by the village of Bulnes with an elevation of approximately 2,130 feet above sea level. We just arrived. It took us around 4 minutes.
10 minutes. 10 minutes, yeah.
10 minutes. Look at that view, guys. It was simply mesmerizing. From every corner, we were treated to panoramic vistas of majestic mountains and valleys, painted with hues of green and kissed by the gentle breeze. It was indeed a feast for our eyes. As we started walking towards the village, the sight of traditional stone houses with their rustic charm greeted us. Each house told a story of the village's rich history and the lives of its resilient inhabitants. The name Bulnes is thought to have Celtic origins, with one theory suggesting it derives from the Celtic word bol or bul, meaning hill or elevation. Bulnes has a rich and intriguing history that dates back centuries. It was once an isolated and remote village, accessible only by treacherous mountain paths. The rugged terrain and natural barriers shielded it from the outside world, creating a unique and self-sufficient community. For many years, the villagers lived a simple and humble existence, relying on agriculture, livestock, and the resources provided by the surrounding mountains. However, everything changed in 2001 with the construction of the funicular. This engineering marvel connected Bulnes to the outside world, opening up opportunities for trade, tourism, and cultural exchange. As we explore the village further, we were drawn to the aroma of Asturian cuisine. We decided to find a seat and simply enjoy the views while sipping on a glass of Spanish red wine, eagerly waiting for our meal. What can you say about this quaint village on top of a mountain?
Just amazing. Small village with few houses and also a few restaurants, by the way.
Yeah.
And there is beautiful
Dining beside a
river, which makes
relaxing sound of the river.
very relaxing sound. It's just a place to be.
So if you are around Asturias, you have to come here.
They say it's the village, which is one of the most elevated places here. I don't know, in Asturias or in Spain. And the only way how to get here is either to walk or to take donkey if you have one, or take funicular, and that's it. Funicular takes 10 minutes. Actually, it's quite fun.
Just to come here at 1750s. But I think it's better that you get the aller-retour because you have a choice.
Yeah, because if you come up here and suddenly you decide that you want to go down again by funicular, then you have to buy a ticket for another 17 euros.
Yeah.
So return is 22, which means you just paid an extra 4 if you are undecisive. It's a good cost.
What are you taking?
This is fabadas, Asturian type.
But beyond the sights and flavors, there's something intangible that fills the air in Bulnes, a feeling of serenity and connection to nature. The pace slows down, and we find ourselves immersed in a world where time seems to stand still. It's a place where we can truly disconnect from the chaos of everyday life and reconnect with ourselves and the beauty of the natural world. We actually have a ticket going down, but we decided to
burn the calories and walk down.
My not-so-adventurous self wanted to take again the ride going down, but Volt said we would do the hike, and indeed, I might have regretted it if we had taken the ride down, because these are the views we encountered along the way. It was challenging, but how cool is it to do this with someone you love and trust, right? So brace yourself and don't go just yet. This is for all of you. Let's hike down the mountain. You might be wondering how this area got carved by nature. Well, the unique topography of Bulnes and the surrounding area in Asturias was primarily shaped by geological processes over millions of years. The region's formation can be traced back to the collision of tectonic plates and subsequent uplift and erosion. Over time, the forces of erosion played a significant role in shaping the landscape. The action of water, ice, and wind gradually wore away the softer rocks, carving out deep valleys and exposing the resistant limestone formations that make up the cliffs and peaks in the area. See you guys, this is one of the best places to visit here. After sneezing,
There's plenty of fresh air, so that's why if you're not used to this, you start to sneeze so that your body gets back to the original air.
and there's actually a high level of Fallen, I'm out of words how to describe this place.
No, it's just like you have to come here and be aware if someone says that it will take you 1 hour, definitely multiply with 3, because after every 5 steps you just have to stop and make a picture or just like see and enjoy this really majesty of this.
Yeah, this area is just majestic, massive mountains in between. Iveta told us it will take us 2 hours. I think that will take us 3 hours and a half.
At least.
We'll see. We're just halfway. Thank you all for staying until this part of the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Please don't forget to like and share this video. And of course, I invite you to subscribe for more travel adventures. If you're planning to visit this place and need some assistance, check the video description where you'll find some links and information about our friend Iveta, who can help you plan your visit. Thank you again and happy travels. We made it here, guys.
Yes.
After how many hours?
Let's check. 2 and something.
2 and something. It's already 5, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Almost 3, I think.
Yes.
We made it. Thank you for bringing us here.
Yeah.